Hey my gourmet cooks out there, and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems Gourmet Recipes. So as the holidays quickly approach, we all love comfort food. So in this recipe, I'll be sharing with you my cheddar broccoli casserole. So let's jump into the ingredients. For this, you'll need 2 boxes of Roni cheddar broccoli rice, Ritz Crackers, broccoli, your choice of cheese. I have minced garlic and an onion, a can of cream of mushroom soup, cheddar broccoli soup, carnation milk or evaporated milk, and you'll need your choice of seasoning, which I'm using the Knorr chicken bouillon seasoning and black pepper. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to go ahead and do is take my rice and I'm going to pour it into a glass dish or a glass bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and just add my water and follow the box directions and go ahead and get this rice prepared. So we're going to put this in the microwave for about 20 minutes. So you'll just see me doing that. You want to go ahead and dice up your onion because in a heated skillet, we are going to add some olive oil to a pan, and we're going to add in a little bit of butter. And we are going to saute up some minced garlic in those onions. Once your rice is done, go ahead and take it out of the microwave, and we're going to go ahead and mix everything in. And all I'm going to do is just add a little bit of butter just to give it a nice, rich, buttery taste. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to just cover it with a lid, and I'm going to take my frozen broccoli and microwave that for 6 minutes. While that frozen broccoli is in the microwave, go ahead and take a whole sleeve of the Ritz Crackers, and we're going to crush these up into little breadcrumbs because we're going to be incorporating these into the casserole. Get your casserole dish and spray some Pam on the bottom of it, and then we're going to go ahead and take our rice and we're going to pour that into, or add that into the casserole dish, and I'm just going to kind of smash it down just to make sure I get everything evenly incorporated. The next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is add in our minced garlic with our butter. And we're going to go ahead and also add in our cream of mushroom soup and our cheddar broccoli soup as well. Now we'll go ahead and add in our broccoli. Once you have the broccoli added in, you want to go ahead and mix everything around evenly. And what I really love about this recipe is that it really doesn't require hardly any seasoning because we're using flavored rice in addition to the soup and the cheese. So you'll definitely enjoy this. Our sharp cheddar cheese, or whatever cheese you're using, you'll add that on top in addition to adding your Ritz crackers as well, and we're going to evenly incorporate all of that in together. Now what I like to do is take some carnation milk and I like to pour that over top because you don't want to have a dry casserole, and with the cheese and the breadcrumbs it's going to really thicken and dry everything out. So the evaporated milk is going to give it a nice even balance. And I normally would just use a whole can for this, but you can kind of get a feel for your consistency, but you just want it to be somewhat soupy before you bake it. So yeah, you'll just see me kind of working that in with the casserole. So once everything is mixed around and you're happy with the consistency that you have, go ahead and sprinkle on your choice of cheese, which I'm using sharp cheddar. And we're going to bake this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at 350. And once it comes out, it'll look just like this. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this recipe. I am going to cut it so you all can see how it looks on the inside. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload new videos. And also definitely leave comments down below letting me know how you tried this recipe and how it worked out for you. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and cut into this. So I'm just cutting it up and plating it for y'all. And I hope that you all enjoyed this recipe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.